This 2019 Heartland Wilderness 3,375 kiloliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 39 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, microwave, awning, skylight, LP detector, oven, refrigerator, smoke detector, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, front dinette, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Heartland Wilderness 3,375 kiloliters is 8,699 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.